Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 60 registered Mercedes E250 Sport. Now this is the coupe, very nice car, just done over 49,000 miles. So yeah, only 49,000 miles and it's a 60 reg from 2011. What a wonderful example. Very nice features, so let's take a look around it. Now the car's finished in the metallic white paintwork, which is a factory optional extra, sitting on aftermarket wheels, which I think when you look at it in this light here now, got to be a very nice wheel that upgrades this vehicle and makes it look absolutely stunning. Now just take a look at those wheels, they are gorgeous, really nice, riding on fantastic tyres, 19-inch alloy wheels. Panoramic glass roof there as well, so think about that, the external white paintwork, panoramic glass opening roof, again, which is a wonderful option. You can tell this car has really been cherished. Now if you take a look at the service history, which I've imaged on our website, you'll see that it's been very minimal miles in its early life. So the first 4 or 5 stamps are all at the Mercedes main dealer, and my memory serves me right, they're doing like 3,000 and 4,000 miles a year for the first sort of 5 years of its life. The car gets the parking sensors on the front bumper, and on the rear bumper we've got that LED style lamp, and then we've got the paintwork on the front, which is a testament to the previous keepers of only 49,000 miles, but very nicely 49,000 very easy miles. Now when you take a look down the sides of the car, it's free from really any trolley dent. You might find the odd stone chip here and there, but again, consummate with the age and mileage. Again, all the wheels are in lovely order. Now when we detail the car, we remove the wheels. They're in a satin finish. Any little imperfections or marks, we'll get them improved in our service bay. Coming round to the rear, we've got the panel in the centre, which is chrome, and then the Mercedes badge. Popping open the boot, we've got a split folding seat as well. Look at that, you can drop them seats down, and then you've got the beauty of this large boot. And then underneath we've got a space saver spare wheel, and again a little bit of storage in there if one needs it. But all around, the bumper corners are in lovely order. Just look at it from the back. What a wonderful car. Private reg on this, and your friends will be very envious. But the paintwork again on the driver's side is in super condition. 2 keys with this vehicle. You can read the history, you can read the MOT, check it out on MOT status. You'll see it's doing very little miles. But then I've got the windows open, so you've got the open coupe. I do like that with these. And then we've got this Bordeaux leather interior. Now we've got 4 electric windows, we've got power fold door mirrors. Both the seats front and are electric, memory and also heated. And they do have the adjustments as well on the seat here. You can adjust the bolster and the way the chair fits around your body wonderfully well. 49,605 miles as I start the car. You'll see there's no warning lights on there. It starts with a lovely smooth, revs well. A very nice car. Panoramic roof is open there, and then it's just one touch up here and you can shut that. You do have a blind as well should you need it for hotter days or colder days. It's not as hot or cold inside, but inside the cabin smells still new. Mercedes product only uses the best materials, and that is then a testament. And these cars age so well. They do. The aluminium detail runs right the way across the dashboard. We then got climate control, automatic transmission, climate control, we've got heated seats, we've got a CD Autochanger, we've got Bluetooth phone, leather trim steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, we've got electric steering column as well. The list goes on with this car. A very nice motor car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper was a non-smoker, and that car has never been smoked in off my nostrils. But that is absolutely super duper, he says. But just look at it, that is absolutely cracking. Red carpets are all lovely. Everything about it is absolutely wonderful. I'd be happy with that myself, even though age defies cars sometimes. Just pop these windows up so you can see all the 4 windows up as well. Some cars age really well, don't they, and they're timeless. And I think an E-Class Coupe is that car. Anything Mercedes Coupe with the pillarless doors, open top, with the panoramic roof, and only 49,000 miles as well. Documentation is all there. It's wonderful. 2 keys. Very rare do we see cars of this age in such lovely order, riding on fantastic looking wheels with great tyres. So if you want any more info on this, or you'd like to reserve it, give us a call. We will be able to run through how we do that, so you only need to come to Wigan once. All our cars are HPI clear, all our cars guaranteed, all our cars are MOT'd and serviced if they require it. If you've got a part exchange, we'll be happy to take that in, but give Graham, Alex, Dom or Lee a call, and one of us will be happy to help you in any way. Check out our reviews, check out our social media. You'll see customers from all over the UK collecting cars, and they only come once and drive away in the same day. So thanks for watching the video, and look forward to your inquiry.